Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, loading screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It can resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problems. So we just need to open PS5 settings and then click on PlayStation on controller and then select power and finally select restart PS5. So after this, try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, second solution is to check storage space on console. For that, click on PS5 settings, then move down to storage, then click on console storage and extended storage. After that, click on each of them and delete the saved data that is of no use, or go to PS5 settings, click on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and click on delete option. After clearing the storage space on console, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, network settings, then set up network connection. After that, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. After that, hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occurs. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here, connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. So after this step, check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after that, launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to restore licenses. So for that, open settings, then click on user and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After this, select the game, then click on restore and finally confirm it by selecting yes. So after restoring licenses, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5. Now select saved data PS5. Here, select upload or delete from console storage and finally select Hollow Knight Silksong game and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So you should make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. After this, launch the game and see if it's working now. Next is to change language on consoles. For that, first you need to open PS5 settings, then go to system. After that, select language option in the left sidebar, select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Now launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, open settings, then click on user and accounts. After that, go down and click on other option. Next, click on sign out option. Once done, log into PS5 account again and check if the error is resolved. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then select system. After that, go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next, select update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. So after installing the software updates on your controller, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, open settings on your PS5, then move to system. After that, click reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally click on restore option. So this will reset your console settings and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, it's suggested to reinstall the game once again. So for that, first highlight your Hollow Knight Silksong game on your PS5, then click on options on your controller. After that, select delete and confirm it, and finally restart your PS5 and install Hollow Knight Silksong game again to check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game. Hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can further play the game without any problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game crashing or not launching or loading issue on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.